What's happening, everyone? My name's Brian Mello with Marty's Buick, GMC, and Chevrolet. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing General Motors' Big 4 performance upgrades for your 2021 GMC Sierra or 2021 Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. So you've got your new truck, or maybe you're thinking about ordering one, but you want that little extra something in order to increase the performance of your truck while keeping your factory warranty completely intact. Well, I've got some good news, because General Motors Performance Division has identified what it considers the 4 most important factory performance parts for the Silverado 1500 as well as the Sierra 1500. These parts will improve the performance of the truck and, most importantly, allow you to keep that 3-year factory warranty without any questions. Now, if you're anything like me, you probably really like the idea of upgrading your brand new truck, but you might be a little bit hesitant to mess around with it while it's still under factory warranty, and I get it. And if that's the case, then these 4 upgrades might just be exactly what you're looking for. Kicking off the list is the GM 2-inch suspension lift system. General Motors states that this is the only 2-inch suspension lift designed, engineered, tested, and backed by General Motors specifically for the all-new 2019 and up Sierra and Silverado. This lift kit was developed by the same vehicle-level engineers who built the truck, and the system was tested under the same grueling conditions and will not void the new vehicle limited warranty. The system is available for select 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive model trucks, and each system features front and rear passive monotube dampers specifically tuned to the chassis, as well as bump stops, rear leaf spring spacers, and much more for a fully integrated installation. A front camera reconfiguration and an electronic power steering calibration is also included so that all driver assist systems continue to function seamlessly. Next on the list, we have the GM cold air intake system. General Motors states that you can upgrade the performance and look of your Silverado with the Chevrolet Performance Cold Air Intake System. This system reduces air intake restrictions by up to 13% on the 5.3-liter engine and 17% on the 6.2. Not only that, it looks great under the hood. It features a high-efficiency dry media filter, a 98mm outer diameter intake tube, and a matching MAF calibration for optimal performance. The system has been rigorously tested for durability, corrosion, and performance, and is 50-state emissions compliant and will not, of course, void your new vehicle limited warranty. Now, if you're looking to increase performance and bring the sound that goes along with it, the Chevrolet Performance Catback exhaust system might be the first thing you consider. Available in both single and dual exit configuration, the Chevy Performance Catback exhaust system offers up to a 10 horsepower gain on the 5.3-liter and a 13 horsepower gain on the 6.2-liter. The system is completely bolt-on and includes absolutely everything required for a complete installation. Truth be told, you could definitely install this in your backyard, maybe on your back, in your driveway. It's super easy to install. Of course, professional installation is always preferred, but if you're a DIY guy, this should be no problem. It's emissions legal in all 50 states, and the system will, of course, not void the new vehicle limited warranty. Lastly on the list, we have the Chevrolet Performance Brembo brake upgrade system, along with the rear color match brake system. This is probably my favorite as far as the 4 upgrades, and probably the one you would notice the difference the most, at least in my opinion, and from my experience driving the trucks around the lot. So for breaking by the numbers, the Chevrolet Performance brake upgrade system simply adds up. The system centers around a 410mm by 32mm or 16.1 inch by 1.3 inch Dura-Life rotors that feature a hardened surface to reduce corrosion and provide quieter braking with less vibration. Coupled with bright red Chevrolet Performance Brembo 6-piston fixed aluminum calipers, this upgrade system means serious business, with a 22% increase in rotor area over stock and an 89% increase in brake pad area to increase system thermal capacity. That is a big number. A 22% increase in rotor area over stock. Now, it might not sound like much if you've never got into upgrading a truck. That's a big upgrade. The rear color match brake system is designed to complement the front big brake system. You'd never just get the rear without getting the front. The rear system includes painted bright red calipers, Additionally, the rear brake system maintains complete integration with the new braking system. So, your parking brake and all that other stuff, everything's going to work fine. Once again, it's not going to void your new vehicle limited warranty. The front big brake upgrade system is also not available with RBR wheels or any Chevrolet wheels smaller than a 20. So keep that in mind. If you have 18-inch wheels and you're thinking about doing this, it's not going to work out. You're going to have to upgrade or change into a larger wheel. The system is not EPWI compatible, and the front brake system, of course, is not compatible with a production spare wheel and tire. So keep that in mind as well. Now, if you're interested in learning more, as well as get pricing information for the parts that I just referred to, I will leave a link below in the parts catalog in the description. So that's it, really. The big 4 performance parts straight out of the factory. You can order, if you're ordering a truck, you can have these parts installed before you even pick the truck up. Or if you're thinking about maybe you want, I know it's really popular. The exhaust system is probably one of the most popular. You just want that extra grumble. Once again, something that you could have the dealership do for you and pick up your brand new truck with the exhaust system already done. Or, if you've already had your truck for a little while and you want to get that stuff done, you can do that as well. Let me know in the comments down below what you're currently driving and if you've done any modifications, if any, to your current vehicle. Whether it's a truck, whether it's a car, it doesn't really matter. I'm interested. Let me know what you're driving. Let me know if you've modified it already. Hopefully this video helps some of you. I know that a lot of people are thinking about doing things for the truck. It's wintertime now. Maybe you're thinking about doing some upgrades before the new season comes. But yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please consider liking and subscribing to my channel for more videos like this, as well as walkarounds, POV test drives, and things like that. And I will see you all in the next video. Take care.